Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your car's air conditioning system. First, gather your essential tools, including an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection. Next, start your vehicle's engine and turn the air conditioning to its maximum cold setting with the fan on high. This prepares the system for accurate pressure readings and efficient refrigerant addition. Now, let's find the low-pressure service port. It's usually on the larger diameter line, often near the firewall, and capped with an L for low. Once located, clean the port thoroughly to prevent any dirt from entering the system. Then, firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your AC recharge kit to this low-pressure port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection for accurate pressure readings. With the gauge connected, observe the pressure reading. If it's in the red zone, your system is low on refrigerant. To add refrigerant, hold the can upright, then invert it, and slowly squeeze the trigger for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Release the trigger and check the gauge. Repeat this process, shaking the can occasionally, until the pressure gauge indicates the optimal range, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the pressure is within the recommended range, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Now, return to your vehicle's cabin and feel the air coming from the vents. It should be noticeably colder. If the air is still not cold, or if the system quickly loses its charge, it may indicate a leak requiring professional inspection. Enjoy your refreshed, cool air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.